Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be playing Dress to Impress, and this is part 3 of Ride the Runaway Diva. Um, I joined before the update, so I'm just gonna start the video. Okay, so I already played a match, so we're gonna do a new one. The theme is Fox Fur Fashion. Now the perfect fit for this, and I joined a few minutes before the update is supposed to come out, so you'll be in the video will be playing while the update is busy. Okay, so the theme is Fox Fur Fashion. I already said that, but it's fine. Because I think this would work. I think I'm gonna be a role for fashion icon. My game is lagging. Okay, so I'm only gonna use the hat and the fur things. Okay, so I'm gonna use patterns. I think this one, and then for these, maybe this. No, this. And then I'm always gonna put glasses on. And I need gloves. Use this on 3. I'm gonna use that. Make that white. And make that white. And then I need shoes. But I don't know what shoes to use. I'm just gonna use these. Just gonna use these shoes and color it all black. Maybe the last one white. I don't know what that made white. And then I'm gonna put on a bag. Okay, no, maybe not that pattern, because I don't want everything to be black and white. Okay, I want to use this joker. It might not it might not look the best, but at least I tried. Okay, so this I'm gonna be making grey, and the belt gonna be I'm gonna make it that pattern, and the fur trim gonna be making black, and the belt buckle also black. And then I need the top. I think I'm gonna go here and use this top onto and make that grey. Okay, but now I feel like my arms are very bare or too empty. So I'm gonna make it this and grey. My top is too plain. So probably this, but with just no sleeves. But I want the bottom of the top. So that, make this black so it matches. And then and then the lower top grey, and then the straps also grey, and then I feel like I can put one more thing with this. Okay, so I'm just gonna look in VIP if there's something. Sorry about the lag. Okay, what if I put on about? This one. Make that this pattern, and this black and grey, and then over here I'm going to be putting on this thing, the layer. Oh no, not that. Okay, this, and make it grey, and I think my foot is fine. This is not bad. Ugh. I'm in a regular server, so I don't know, don't expect much. But most of the outfits are good. Okay, this isn't too bad. For a rising star, this isn't too bad. Okay, so next. I don't know what's next. Okay, so let's just do. What happened? What's happening? Okay, so the update just came out. Looks like it. So now my outfit didn't even go on a runway. That's depressing. Cute hair, messy pose back, runway, the outfits. Look at the new pose back. Okay, I'm going out. Backs. Runway effects. Okay, sorry about my. Okay, so. Okay, so marionettes and puppeteers. I don't know what this theme is. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this face. It's not the best face, but it's at least a face. Okay, snagging. Okay, I'm still gonna lag. I think it is. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is the new hair. Looks like it. I think I'm gonna make a I don't know. Maybe grey like that? I don't really know. I never used these here. I'm just gonna use that. Then I'm just gonna leave my nails because I don't have time to do that. And my game is obviously lagging. Okay, so probably this. Maybe I never use this thing. Maybe I put a pattern on it. But that's too much grey. I'm just gonna use it. And this. I never use that either. Okay, so this outfit isn't gonna look the best because my Wi-Fi, even my game just doesn't want to work with me. So don't judge. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this, make it grey, white. I'm just gonna play one more round after this, and then I'm gonna end the video. Okay, so I think that will work. And then here, this on 3, and then make it. I want the people to see that fishnets. Okay, this might not be my best outfit, but at least I tried. I sound so depressed. Okay, this is too much grey. I think I'm gonna make the hair blonde and with brown stripes. I don't know, this fit is just not giving. Okay, so if the fit is like that, don't criticize me over my rank. Maybe if I put on this, then it'll look like strings covering my arms. But then I need to make it color that will stand out. I really don't know. I can use this and use the train and make that black. Then it looks like I have strings connecting me. I honestly don't have any idea. Okay, fit I think it's done. Okay, so the pose I'm gonna use is the mannequin pose. Okay, so this is cool. Okay, so sorry, I forgot to vote. Oops. Oopsie. Bye-bye. Phone. And I don't want to waste all of it.